Overtime calculation can be tricky, but it's a breeze when you harness the power of spreadsheets. Whether you're an employer aiming for compliance with labor laws or an employee wanting to ensure you're paid correctly, understanding spreadsheet overtime calculation is vital. Let's delve into this topic and bring some clarity to this often misunderstood area. Spreadsheet overtime calculation involves using a spreadsheet to accurately compute overtime pay for employees. With formulas and conditional formatting, spreadsheets can automate calculations, reducing errors and saving time. Step 1. Set up your spreadsheet. Start by setting up your spreadsheet with the following columns: employee name, date, regular hours, regular pay, overtime pay. Step 2. Input data. Enter the employee's regular hours and overtime hours for each day. Regular pay is calculated by multiplying the regular hours by the employee's hourly wage. Step 3. Calculate overtime pay. Overtime pay is typically 1.5 times the employee's regular hourly wage. Use a formula to multiply the overtime hours by the overtime rate. Step 4. Total pay. Create a final column that adds the regular pay and overtime pay to calculate the total pay for each day. This was our spreadsheet overtime calculation. If you are interested in purchasing, the link is in the description. Leave your like and follow our channel.